Hello, welcome to If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. In this short video, I'm going to show you the difference between temporary versus permanent hold, why you would use either option, and also how to negate it, cancel it out to make your thermostat automated again. Let's go. It's 73 degrees in your house and you want to jack the temperature up. It's actually set to go to 66 because it has a scheduled program right now. So I'm going to set it to 76 degrees, and as you can see, it's a temporary hold. The heat's going to kick in, but what the temporary hold does is going to hold your temperature at 76 degrees up until it hits the next set scheduled program, and it's going to change that temperature to whatever you have programmed in there. In order to keep it at 76 degrees, it's simple. You take the temporary hold and you press the button that corresponds to it right here. So watch, hit temporary hold, hit the button. You get this new menu, and all you do is press hold. Watch temporary change to permanent. Boom. Now, this is basically literally a manual thermostat. You can change it up, down, and it will stay at permanent hold until you cancel it out. It's not going to get changed or overwritten by whatever you have programmed in there. It's literally that simple. Now, if you want to cancel out the permanent hold and make your thermostat back automated, hit the button, new menu, and hit cancel. Boom, you're back at the following scheduled program. It's going down to 66 degrees, and really, that's really it. I'll give you one more pass. I'll show you one last time. It's really simple. That's the difference. You just change the temperature. It's going to give it a temporary hold. Again, it's only going to hold that until it hits the next set scheduled program, and then it's going to get overwritten by whatever you have programmed in there. If you want to keep it at that degrees the entire day, night, whatever, just hit the button underneath temporary hold to bring up the new menu. Like so. Hit hold to turn temporary to permanent. And that is it. When you want to negate it, hit permanent hold again, then hit cancel, and you're right back at a automated programmed thermostat, just like this. With that said, this is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I am the amateur's amateur. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very, very much for viewing.